Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to remove open to work on LinkedIn. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn application. Make sure you have already downloaded LinkedIn app on your device. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this interface. Here, go to profile picture on top left corner. It will show you this kind of menu. Here, tap on view profile. Now it will navigate you to the profile page. Now here you can see open to work on this section. Simply tap on it. Now you can see that in this interface, here you can see pencil icon on top right corner. Tap on it. So here you can see delete from profile. In order to remove it, you can delete from profile. Tap on it. And here if you tap and delete there, it will no longer share with others that you are open to work. So tap and delete. Now you have successfully removed open to work in LinkedIn. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.